Hello, today we're going to talk about force.
Welcome to Sathvidya.
This is our science club.
Hey, you're still reading that, right? Yeah.
What are you guys doing?
Pulling the chairs. There's a party. Chairs.
Can I help?
Yeah. There's a party tonight, and we need to pull the chairs away so that there's space. Don't you think we should push the table over there so that we get extra space here?
To the party?
Yeah. Okay. Let's push it. Okay, so we need to move the table over there. So Akila, you need to pull and Rakendu and I need to push.
This actually kind of reminds me of that video I have to make.
Is it about force?
Yes.
Okay, that's a good idea. Let's talk about force. Now let's talk about force.
Force. A force means to push or pull on an object. With force, an object can change its state.
There are many ways force can make objects, but we have to know what force does, but we need to know what force is. Force is a push or pull, right? And whenever we push or pull something, it moves. So, there are 5 ways force can interact with objects. Number 1, it can make it start moving. Or it can make, number 2, it can make it stop moving. Number 3, it can changes direction. Number 4 is that it changes its speed. Number 5 is its shape. It can change it, but not all objects, just a few. And now let's see some examples about force with my cousins.
This object is steady and not in motion because there is no physical force being applied. But if I apply physical force this way, it will be in motion. An example is when a car is not in motion because there is no physical force being applied on it. But if you press on the pedal, the car accelerates and moves forward. Oh, we can use force to stop a moving object.
This is an example of how you can stop a moving object using force.
Here is an example of changing the direction of an object with force. Basically playing tennis.
As you can see, this balloon is moving very slowly right now because there's no physical force that's pushing it. Sridevi right now is going to push the balloon, right? And see, because of the force that he applied on this balloon changes its speed. And so, therefore, if there's any force that's applied to an object, the speed will change. For example, in a car, if you apply the acceleration, then the speed of the car will increase. But if you apply the brake, then the car will slow down.
Like I said last time, you can use force to change the shape of an object. And I'll show you one way how. Now let's show our shape of our slime. Now let's stretch it. See? Now, before I used force, it was like a big block. Now it's like something like a bridge. Here we have a water bottle, and we're gonna apply force on it. And right now.
3, 2, 1.
And this is how it looks like when I apply force. And this is how it looks like when I apply more force. And this is how it looks like when I apply even more force. This means that the force of, if you apply force on objects, they can be in shape as long as you can easily cross them. I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for the next video. And spoiler alert, it's about friction. I have to end this video here. I'm trying to do a tug of war. Bye. Please subscribe for more videos. If you like this video, like it and share it to your friends.
And for our notifications, please press the bell icon below. Thank you.